Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. I am going to do some $25 one-up training. For those of you who are watching this, you're most likely interested in learning how to use an automated system to create income from home, or you may already be in $25 one-up, but I'm going to go over how this system works and how you can use some of the tools that are built into the system to actually give you leverage and help you make more money online using this awesome system. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I wanted to point out some things. My phone is like ringing off the hook. I wanted to point out some things about this work from home program / system. This in this video it says that members have generated over 800K. Right now that number has increased to 960,000, and I'm sure we will get to 1 million very shortly. I've made 22,000 of that from this affiliate system, and you know, me having been someone who struggled online, this program, and I've been talking about this for over a year. You can go back through all my $25 one-up videos. I learned how to market online through $25 one-up system. Okay, so it showed me not only how to make money online through this system, but how to make money online, period. Right? It really showed me a lot of the things that I needed to know, like in terms of the other pieces. You know, I had a great mentor that showed me YouTube marketing, but this showed me how to do Facebook marketing, which really just changed the game for me. Okay, so anyways, I made over $22,000 with this system, and I love introducing people to the system so they can get a slice of the pie too. All right, now this program is a 100% instant commission program. I'm going to talk a little bit about it, but I'm going to talk specifically about the tools that you get access to that helps you, you know, make money, right, and market, right? So anyways, if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications bell. And beneath this video is information about the system. All right, so let's get right into it. So the system that I'm talking about is called $25 one-up, and you know, this work from home system may be for you if you are looking for a way to make money online where you can get paid straight to your PayPal, Cash App, or any other payment processor that you choose. I myself love Square, right? Some people like Venmo, right? With this program, it puts you in control. It's a direct commission program, meaning member-to-member program, meaning you decide how you want to receive payment to yourself, okay? There's no monthly fees with this, so you can literally, you know, like come into this and you know, you can break even and then start getting in profit mode sooner, rather than programs where every single month, my ear is itching, you have to pull out, you know, money to even make money. Okay, so the thing about this is there's a lot of money making programs out there, but what I always talk about in my videos is that it's not enough to just have a money making opportunity. You must know the marketing strategies which this program gives you, and you must have access to the tools to help you build a biz to make money. And this program has many tools built into the system that I'm going to go over today. Okay, now let's talk about what you need to know as a beginner. Okay, a lot of gurus out there will not talk about this, and that is that you must have tools to help you make money. Automation tools that it gives you leverage so you don't have to work hard, you know, you just work smart, right? And tools that allow you to literally just be able to get out there, put some ads up, you know, respond back to people who reach out to you versus chasing people, and you let your system behind the scenes do the work of, you know, presenting, following up, in terms of like the system send out some automatic messages to them, and, also making sure that your system, you don't need a website like that you have to create, right? So there's a sales page connected. So $25 one-up gives you access to all this. You get access to a sales funnel. Okay, you get access to autoresponder, and that's the emails that follow up with people who come into your system so that you can close more sales. You have broadcast tools with $25 one-up, which allows you to send out messages weekly, reaching out to people who came into your system and letting them know that if they're ready to get started, you know, how they can get started with you. Okay, all of this is covered by a simple admin fee, which is, oh my God, listen, the coronavirus is so random. The coronavirus, I keep saying, don't touch your face, and when you're on video, you realize how many times a day you touch your face. Anyways, so all of that is covered. All these tools are covered by your admin fee and to the program. Okay, so you don't have to keep paying out of pocket for these tools, which is amazing. All right, so your job to be able to get to the money is very simple. You simply put up ads that help get attention to your offer, and then you let your system start doing the work behind the scenes. Okay. The great thing about this system is that this system gives you the ads. Okay. So what you want to do is, and also you can make videos as well, right? Whether you want to show your face or not, there's ways to put out videos. If you want to do video, I would encourage you to think about video marketing. This program shows you video marketing. You can do that as well. So anyways, what is the product? Okay, let's talk about what the product is. $25 1 Up are digital products. Basically, at every package, there's several packages: Gold, Platinum, Diamond, Enterprise, and Elite. They're digital products that show you what marketing knowledge and activities, like what do you need to do on a daily basis. So the program is going to show you the activities. What is the daily routine? What are the things you need to do? What platforms do you need to be on so that you can really make money online? And that's why I like this, because I just feel like a lot of people are spinning their wheels, and if they simply get back in the back office of this system and start learning and applying what's back there, that's what I did, right? And you can make lots of money, not just with this system, but you really start to understand how marketing works online. Okay, so there's several package levels, and these allow you to earn at all these levels. Gold is $25. That's going to give you access to pre-run ads. For people who really want to make money online. Platinum and higher is where the money making starts. Platinum is $125 one time. Diamond is $250 one time. Enterprise is $500 one time. Elite is $1,000 one time. And whatever package digital product you get access to earn commissions at that level and any of the package levels underneath. Okay. Now, you're also going to get access to autoresponder, and I'm going to show you that in a second, so stay tuned. That autoresponder is going to follow up with people who come into your system, and it's already set up for you. Okay, so I want to talk about my bonuses, and I'm going to take you into $25 1 Up. That way I'm going to switch screens. Okay, so I give bonuses. I give bonuses to people because I want people to know what I do, how I made $22,000 with this system, how I became a top 10 earner with this system. I'm giving you the secret sauce. So here's the thing. For a long time, I did away with platinum bonuses, right? But I'm bringing them back. Okay. So if you join at the platinum level, I'm going to give you access to my daily blueprint. Okay. What do I do on a daily basis online to be able to leverage this system? Okay. And what's the secret sauce to how I really made $22,000 with this system? Well, you're going to get access to that. Okay. At the diamond level and higher. Okay, so remember, at the platinum level for $125, you're going to get all the tools you need, but you're also going to get access to my secret strategies on top of what the system gives you. Okay, you're going to be able to earn $125 commissions. Okay, now diamond and higher, you're going to be able to earn $250+ commissions. Right, that's the sweet spot. I can tell you a lot of people coming at $250. Okay, you're going to be able to get access to not only my daily blueprint, okay, what are the things that I do on a daily basis online so that you know what to do, but you're going to get access to something that is super sauce, okay? It's called Video Profits, okay? It's going to show you how you can put out videos using your phone, using your computer, however you want to do it, whether you want to show your face or not, and you can begin to attract leads to you, and it walks you through step by step how to do that using YouTube. Okay, and then you're also, as a diamond and higher member, going to get access to my Video Profits Facebook group. Okay, all right, now let's get into, actually I'm gonna get out of this window. Let's go over to my $25 1 Up back office, and I want to show you how the system makes it simple for a beginner. Okay, let's talk about the beginner in mind. Someone who comes online, they don't have marketing experience per se. They want to make money online. They want to understand how to make money online. So here's how you do that. Okay, in your back office, when you come into the gold level, now remember, when you come into like some of these higher packages, you get access to every product underneath, including the gold product. Okay, so the gold product level, you're going to get access to all of this training, which is going to show you how to market online. Okay, so let's come and look at pre-written ads. Okay, so you know, there's a lot online. You'll see a lot of, you know, copy and paste that programs and things like that. But people don't understand how to use them. So what I'm going to do is pause this real quick. Let me just, or maybe not. My screen is not working today. But anyways, what I'm going to do is go over to my Trello board. That's what I'll do. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you one of the ads. That I was able to do using what the system already gives you access to. Okay, so okay, so here we go. So okay, so this is one of the ads that you are able to put together, that I was able to put together, that you can do with $25 one up. Okay, so here's the thing. What I did was I made a simple image, and if you don't have proof, no worries, because you have access to a testimonial page where you can use any of those proofs that are back there. And what you do is you come over here to pre-written ads, and let's scroll down. So like you can use any one of these headlines. You know, if you can share a 5-minute video, you can change the number to $125, $250, $500 a day. And what I did was just take some of these and put it together in a pre-written ad. Okay, so there it is. You know, can you share a 5-minute video, right? Straight from the headlines, right? And then the last thing is, where is it? Let's scroll down just a little bit more. Okay. And one other thing I want to point out too. Okay, so here it is. So it gives you ads supposed to, then I took one of these. So looking for 5 people that want to earn $125 daily payments. Okay, and you just kind of tailor it to what you want to say. But the point is, you can take these pre-written ads and literally put together your own ad. You can add a picture. Let me show you where you would get that from. This is kind of a training, right, on how you make money online. And then you can literally follow the Facebook training that's in here, and you can post this in Facebook groups and get people reaching out to you and saying, hey, I would like to make money with that system. And they're going to, you know, you just follow the system. Because here's the thing, if you scroll down, not only does it show you how to put together an ad, it tells you what to say in the inbox, right, when people reach out for information. So you're not like, what do I say, right? It shows you what to say to people that created an account, right, so that you can get to the sale. Okay, so literally this system walks you through everything you need to know. All right, now the one thing I did want to show is, where is it? Right here. Okay, so you can literally take this ad part, and you can literally, you know, take any one of these pictures from the testimonial page. You're not saying that it's your proof, but you're showing that members in the group are making money. You could take one of these pictures from the testimonial page, and you can use that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then you just use it with your text ad, right? And you just post this in, you can post this in Facebook groups and start getting traffic. You can do the same thing on Instagram. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about some other things that help automate the process of making money with this system that I really enjoy. Okay, so when you are, where is it? So when you're diamond and higher, you're also going to get access to, let me go back to platinum. Okay, so what you can do is you can edit your follow-up messages. So you get access to autoresponder. Let's go into autoresponder and just see what it is. And these are messages that are already put together. So when someone comes into your system, okay, we're going to look at a sales page. They're going to get these messages already sent to them. So like you can edit them. So let's click on the pencil. So Okay. So right here, they're going to get a message that's already put together in their system. The only thing I did was added, you know, a number and a picture. Okay. So that's pretty much it. They get access to all of that. Okay. So that's pretty much the autoresponder. The other thing that I want to show you the funnel pages that you get access to, and all of these work together to make sure that the system is presenting for you, the system is following up for you. Your job is just simply put these ads out, you know, and or doing videos on YouTube. I would highly recommend that you're on YouTube because it's a search engine, meaning people are already searching for it, right? But you don't have to, but you can be on Facebook or Instagram as well. You put these ads out and you get people to reach out for information, and you just follow the process that the program outlines. So this is simple stuff. You can do this in, like, you know, I would say 30 minutes to an hour a day, and you can begin to get results. All right, so funnel pages. Let's talk about some high converting pages. I used this one for almost like half a year before I changed my funnel. This one right here. This one also converts very well. And this one, this is a new page, okay? And this is converting very well for people in the company as well, okay? So these pages, like, let's just click on one. Okay, so this page, it presents everything. It talks about how this program allows people to make $25, $100, $250, $500, and even $1,000 with no nagging monthly fees. There's a video, and they get to put in their email address, and boom, they get to the inside and it presents for them. So these are the tools that you have access to. The last thing that I just want to point out is that you have access to a broadcaster. So what you can do is everyone who comes into your system, you can send a broadcast to them, which is an email, right? So let's say, like, once a week, you know, you wanted to send a YouTube video out with a link, or you wanted to send out one of your ads, or you wanted to say, hey, you know, I have 5 spots left. Whatever you wanted to say to people who come into your system, you can broadcast that right through your back office. You don't need some separate system. You could do it right from your members area. So these are the tools that $25 One Up gives to you to help you be better at just doing your job on the front end, which is putting out these little mini ads that really don't take that long to do, and letting the system do its job of converting. Okay, so I hope this was of value to you. Again, I want to go back over here to my bonuses. You know, if you're like, you know what, I want to join this money making system, I would like to start making daily income in 2020, and I want to learn how to do that. I want to learn how to market overall online and make money, right? So you definitely want access to my bonuses. Again, at the platinum level, you're going to get access to my daily blueprint, which is my daily strategies of what I do, including some of my advertising tips and tricks. And then at the diamond and higher level, that's where you're going to get, you know, just the secret sauce. Like, you're going to get access to not only my daily blueprint, but you're going to get access to my video profits course, which shows you how to do videos like this, whether you want to show your face or not. And you're going to get access to my Video Profits Facebook group. And in there, you can ask me questions, you know, things like that. I share lots of tips and gems, things that are working for me along the way, even with some of my other business streams. So some of my business partners, they get access to what I'm doing to make money in other ways, you know, in that group. All right. So that's it, my friend. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.